Alright guys, so it is officially a snow. Like we have like a few inches now. Let me try to open the door. I opened it early. Oh, it opened up a little bit further now, but here we go. It is snowing. Like it is full-blown snow out here. Wow. And it's cold. Oh my gosh, it's so cold. But like, look at our table. Our table's already covered up. And then if you look down there, our grill is already covered up too. Woo! So this is our official snowstorm, first snowstorm of 2020. Oh my god, it is so deep. Look at my, oh my god, it is so deep. Okay, I underestimated this one completely. So, here's the snow. Oh my gosh, I underestimated how deep it was. Wow. Woo! And look at my foot, guys. It's digging all the way in. Nah, bruh. I can't be out here like that. Wow. Look at the kids outside playing in the snow. They are having a good old time, aren't they? Oh, they're shoveling too. Wow. Deep. Alright guys, so welcome back to Vlogmas day number 18. So today is a pretty chill day. I did go outside on the balcony and I was not expecting the snow to be that deep. It's pretty deep, and my oatmeal combination today was so good. I always eat the same combination. It's always strawberries and bananas, almond milk, cinnamon, and a little bit of stevia. I used Trivia today, and that's it, and it was really, really good. So right now I am just editing an extra hair video for this week, and Vlogmas went up a little bit late today, but if you guys noticed, for the last 2 days I have not been stressing out about it. I'm just trying to keep my composure, not stress, because it's not the end of the world. So I've been trying to practice patience and just rock with it. It is what it is. Once the video goes up, it goes up. I just got to deal with it. So today is like a no makeup day. I've done no makeup for 2 days in a row, just trying to let my skin breathe. But I do my skincare in the morning. I already did that and stuff like that. So I'm just editing. And I do have a wig that I might want to do tonight. I'm not sure yet, but I'm definitely going to do my nails because, as you guys can see, my nails one came off, so I'm just gonna, I had these on since last weekend, so it's a week. I mean, I guess I could go ahead and switch them out if I want to right at this point. So that is what I'm gonna do in a few. So, be right back. pretty. I wish you guys could see it in real life. I should take a picture and put it in the thumbnail. But look at how pretty the sunset is. So pretty. So I'm reading the comments that you guys just left in the Vlogmas today, but let me tell you something. My sister is a genius. So she ordered this key on Amazon, right? So it looks like a key, guys, but guess what? It's not. So this is super sharp, and I like try to bring this key with me every time I take my car, or if I'm going somewhere I could put it in. It's a whole entire knife. I mean, honestly, if somebody was running up behind me out here and on these streets, I would have to have this key in my hand. So technically what I do is I walk with, if I'm like walking in a dark alleyway, I grab this first and I make sure I at least have it out a little bit, or actually have it in my hand open like this. If I'm just ever scared, I'll have it in my hand like this, and I'll be walking like this just in case. So I'll actually pull it out and hold it. But let me tell you guys something, it is very sharp. Like it is sharp. So you're gonna really stab somebody with this one. But I just thought I'd share this with you guys. I'll leave a link for this one down below because this is sold on Amazon. And someone also did say something about pepper spray, and I do have pepper spray as well. So guys, I'm pretty safe. I'm smart when it comes to stuff like that, and this is so cool. So even if you want to get this someone for a late Christmas gift, hopefully you guys can get it like soon. So I'll leave a link down below for this one. My sister bought a whole bunch for all of us, like our friends and everything. So I always keep this with me. Like I said, I always hold it. It's very sharp, so be careful with it. But I'll leave a link down below for the key. So I was reading the comments though, but you gotta be safe out here on these streets. But I'm always protected. And the wig looks so cute in like a low ponytail. She's super cute. Super cute. Super cute. And I have my glasses from Zelo.com. And my nails actually look really cute, don't they? I don't really go for styles like this, but I think these are nice. It's a nice length too. So I can rock with this one. And the necklace is gold plated, so it's okay if you shower with it. I have no issues. And my earrings, see that? So this is the outfit. So these are the jammies for the evening. Super cute, guys. Super cute. Oh yeah. Rock it. Rock it. Drop it. Drop it. Just joking. But this is it. So this is the salad for dinner. I did put the rice and beans from last night and the shrimp from last night. I made some extra bacon. It was the avocado Caesar salad I used, and it looks so good. It was turkey bacon. I just rather turkey bacon extra crispy without burning it. So look at how nice that looks. And this avocado dressing on top, a little bit of Parmesan cheese. It's about to go down. Alright guys, so I'm ending the vlog right here. It's a little bit earlier than the time that I go to sleep, but that's a good thing because I need to stop like going to sleep too late. Today was a pretty chill day. I did some cleaning, some cooking, did my nails, and my hands are ashy AF, but that's alright. Why are they so ashy? I put lotion on anyways. But he's so cute. So I'm gonna end it right here, guys. I will announce the giveaway winner right here. Congratulations to the giveaway winner. And yeah, so that basically wraps up today's video, guys. Love you guys so much, and I hope you guys enjoy the weekend vlog that's gonna come up on Monday. It's gonna be lit this weekend, so you guys will see everything that happens.